For Montage commercial fence installation, the following items are required: post hole digger, string line, tape measure, safety equipment, safety glasses, steel-toed boots, and gloves. Basic hand tools: socket set, screwdriver set, cordless drill, drivers, and drill bits. For any type of trimming necessary, reciprocating saw or hacksaw, masking tape, file, and Ameristar paint and primer pens. Laying out fence line. When laying out your fence line, measure 95 inches to center of post at grade. This will ensure post spacing will accommodate panels. Mark post centers with paint or stakes. Post setting. Ameristar recommends a 36-inch footing depth and minimum diameter of 10 inches for a typical installation. Depending on geographical region, the footing size may vary to accommodate frost or freezing conditions. On center post setting, measure 95 inches to center of post at grade. Align posts. Using a level, plumb each adjacent side of post. Using a string line or line of sight, align fence posts so that the center of each post is aligned vertically. Refer to Montage commercial product drawings for post installation height. Brackets. Ameristar offers several bracket types for Montage commercial. Universal Boulevard Bracket. Ameristar offers the Universal Boulevard Bracket to fully contact all sides of the post for superior strength. This bracket also has the most versatility for fine-tuning the installation height. Slide Universal Boulevard brackets over post, align bracket with panel rails, then secure panel to bracket using one-way bolt and T-nut combination. The Universal Boulevard brackets are offset to easily attach any subsequent panels by stacking the brackets in alternating directions. The Universal Boulevard bracket design also allows the rails to align when installing Montage commercial on excessive grades. Line bracket. Ameristar's line bracket is used on intermediate line post and attaches two panels to a common post. Position panel adjacent to line post, align rail with one side of line bracket. Introduce remaining portion of line bracket so that the bracket encompasses post and rail between the two-piece line bracket set. Secure panel to bracket using one-way bolt and T-nut combination. Flat mount bracket. When using the appropriate fastener, the flat mount bracket can be attached to any flat surface. Using a tape measure, lay out the correct bracket location on the post to match the intended fence panel. Position the flat mount bracket horizontally in the center of the post. Attach flat mount bracket to post using a cordless drill and hex head driver. The bracket is attached to the face of the post using a self-drilling hex head screw. Secure panel to bracket using one-way bolt and T-nut combination. Swivel bracket. The swivel bracket will accommodate an angle up to 45 degrees. Before attaching swivel bracket to post, identify the required angle, then set the specified angle by tightening the swivel bracket set screw. Set screw is located behind the cup of the bracket. Using a tape measure, lay out the correct bracket location on the post to match the intended fence panel. Position the swivel bracket horizontally in the center of the post. Attach swivel bracket to post using a cordless drill and hex head driver. The swivel bracket is attached to the face of the post using two self-drilling hex head screws. Panel installation. Once posts are set, fence panels are easily installed using one of the four bracket options. Attach panel to bracket using the provided fasteners. Hand tighten each fastener to allow any final adjustment once panels are affixed to brackets. Finished panel height is achieved when locating panel off grade approximately 2 inches as per Montage commercial product drawings. Using a measuring tape, measure the distance between the picket and the post to confirm that both sides of the panel are an equal distance away from the post. Using a ratchet and socket combination, tighten all bracket to panel fasteners. Montage commercial installation on slope. Excessive graded installations. When installing Montage commercial on a slope, confirm that your post spacing measures 95 inches at grade. Position the Montage commercial panel with the slope indicator pointing downhill. The V indicator is located at the end of the rail. Panel raking options. Option 1. With the panel resting on the grade, pull uphill until the rail is parallel to the grade. Option 2. Attach panel to post on the uphill side, then pull panel into the downhill brackets. Montage Commercial is engineered to be fully rackable on excessive slopes or grade changes. This feature virtually eliminates the unsightly need to stair-step panels. Panel trimming. When post-on center dimensions are less than the required 95 inches, panels will need trimming to fit the post's spacing requirements. For trimming a panel, you will need a reciprocating saw or hacksaw, masking tape, file, and Ameristar primer and paint pen. In this example, the inside post spacing measures 89 inches. The panel width measures 92 inches, leaving a difference of 3 inches. Allowing 1/4 inch for brackets on each side of the panel will need to be trimmed 3 1/2 inches. For aesthetics, the panel will need to be trimmed equally on each side 1 3/4 inches. Score this dimension on each end of the rail. Mark your cut with masking tape to prevent any unnecessary scuffing. With safety in mind, support the panel and cut completely through each rail. Remove any rough edges with a file, as well as any debris or metal shavings from the cut area. Mark a new bracket hole in the center of the rail and drill completely through the rail using the appropriate tools. Using the Ameristar primer and paint pen, apply 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of paint to the cut area and let dry. Failure to touch up cut areas will void manufacturer's warranty. The trimmed panel is now ready to be installed. Take a measurement at the top and bottom of the panel to confirm equal spacing on both sides between the post and the adjacent picket. Tighten all fasteners to finish the installation. Product options: styles, adornments, finials. Ameristar fences provide plenty of options for customization and finishing touches, ranging from picket finials, panel adornments, rail treatments, and other variations, allowing you to further customize the look and function of your fence. Classic, Majestic, Genesis, Quad Flare, Triad, Butterfly Scroll, Double Ring.